So this is my canoe right here. Well, it's me mate's canoe, but as you can see, he's letting me use it. Now, I just went out without my paddle. I know shore's right there, but it's fucking deep. Here, guys. Guys, I was slipping out the boat and my buddy said no, not happening. So it didn't happen. Yeah, no, that's too deep. And now I'm fucking stuck. Guys, sorry for the black screen. I have to row back to shore. Okay. I know it was pitch black for a second, guys, but that is, well, because I didn't want to lose you guys. Now I'm going to give you guys like the prime view right now. Well, I'm trying to. Here you go, guys. I got my oar. I'm about to get paddling. Now this is quite hard, guys, because I'm holding use in one hand and rowing with the other. Here we go, guys. I'm now out on the water. We're gonna get going. If this isn't interesting, guys, comment on my video and let me know. I am 11 years old. My name's Lincoln. Yes, I'm in a canoe. Yes, it's not a river, it's a dam. It's fresh water. I'm on a mate's property. It is getting dark out, guys, so I am going back up. Look, I don't have a GoPro, guys. I'm filming on a phone, but yeah. I'm up North Queensland. And I'll see you guys later. There's my tackle box. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.